Monsoon model and climatic prediction. Various models are made for climatic changes and their forecasts. To predict current changes in weather and physical reactions between them, mathematical model is used. Various models are used for prediction of monsoon, which include syndicated model, mathematical model. Radar mechanism and satellite technology are required for this, and importance is currently given for this development. In India, predicting monsoon in various seasons has been a tradition for 100 years. After the famine of 1877, H.F. Blandford, the founder of IMD, had made such a prediction for the first time, taking the snowfall in the Himalayas as a parameter. In the decade of the 1930s, the then director of IMD, Sir Gilbert Walker, had underlined the relationship between various worldwide climatic factors and the Indian monsoon, and based on available observations and previous recordings related to this relationship, he put forth a hypothesis regarding the nature of the monsoon. With the initiative of Dr. Vasantrao Gowarikar in the decade of the 1990s, a monsoon model based on 16 worldwide climatic parameters was developed. This model was in use from 1990 to 2002. We have seen many changes in the weather, and pollution has also increased. Waste generated by man is an important cause for it. Waste is of many types, which include house waste, industrial waste, chemical produced by various industry, radioactive substances, dangerous waste from explosives, garden waste, electronic waste, biomedical waste, city waste, atomic waste, mineral waste. Waste can be divided into two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Spoiled food, fruit, vegetables, ash, cow dung, parts of trees all get decomposed by microorganisms, but waste like plastic, metals does not get decomposed. Reducing solid waste and managing the waste is the need of the time. Mumbai suburbs were flooded on 26 July 2005, and the main reason was accumulated waste. There are 7 elements of waste management: reuse, refusal of use, recycle, rethink, reduce use, research, regulation or public awareness are the elements that can help waste management. Calamities due to human and natural reasons also need management, like waste management. We see that life and property loss happens due to disasters around us. Disaster management means united action of execution with the help of good planning, organizational action and coordination. This includes restricting loss and danger, perceptiveness building, reducing the severity of disaster, immediate action at the time of disaster, estimating the intensity of loss, aid and rehabilitation and rebuilding. After the disaster, first aid to disaster victim is supposed to be the first important step. Opening airways if breathing has stopped. The victim should be given artificial ventilation. Regularizing blood circulation are considered important. Considering the situation of disaster victim, if there has been blood loss, pressing with a thumb and palm covered in sterilized material. In case of fracture or spinal cord injury, stabilizing of injured parts. Shifting the individual on a stretcher, holding burn injuries under continuous flow of water are some of the remedies used. For shifting patients to the hospital, cradle method, carrying piggyback, human crutch method, pulling or lifting method, carrying on 4-hand chair, carrying on 2-hand chair, stretcher are used. Thank you.